Hi, welcome. This is some Python OpenSCAD development of a curved box with rounded corners. I've set up the initial box where you can specify each layer. You can specify that you want curves on each one. So I've set up a prototype first of all, and here you can see I've started putting in the curves on here. Now, the reason why Liliana is laughing behind me is because you can see this triangle here. That's being replaced with a 3-point curve. This, by the way, is using something which I developed called pyopenscad. So it creates spline surfaces. So you give it a lists of points and it creates a spline between them. So I've created one here. This one is a single curve of points here. So first I did 1 point, 2 point, 3, 4, 5, and it made a nice spline on this.
And one of his curves turned out to be a butt.
Yeah. So developing the third one, the 3-dimensional one, we ended up, instead of something looking nice, it ended up like an ass.
It looks like a butt.
The reason for this, the reason why we have an ass in this thing is because I stood these points here. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and did the spline on it, but I didn't know how to do the I didn't know how to do the curves of the subsequent ones, so I used the same point up here. Just here, so when you get to these ones, instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've since worked that out and solved it.
Now it went to 1, 2, 3,
You actually
4,
use the height of this one. Use this here, 1, 2, and 3. Point to there, 3, 4, 5. So each one of these things. But when you do the one of that, you end up with an ass.
So it ended up with a 1, 2, 3 butt.